From applying for visas for international getaways to seeking loans to run the household, the middle class has seen it all. The aspirational bunch that made up the Indian dream since economic reform began in the 1990s is now facing a hard fall. Going upwards are the EMIs and threatening loan collection calls. Middle class loans are at an all-time high and savings are at 50-year lows. RBI has flagged concerns over rising delinquency and leverage in unsecured loans, calling for enhanced vigilance and monitoring. The alarming fall in the middle class financial stability has further pushed the RBI to advise banks and credit firms. Non-performing assets or NPAs of banks are dangling on a frayed thread. The latest cause for alarm: rising defaults on gold loans. Gold loan NPAs have risen by 51%. Personal loan NPAs have crossed 51% to touch rupees 11,700 crore. Credit card defaults are up 28% to rupees 6,742 crore. The downfall began in 2017 when the salaries of the private sector began stagnating or went lower. Jobs dried up and unemployment numbers inched above the 40% mark. Then came the COVID-19 pandemic. Thousands were laid off. Job markets shrank even more. The middle class started seeking loans or borrowing in order to get by. As things worsened, new loans were taken to pay off existing loans. The cycle went on till many had taken 5 to 6 loans. As banks denied further borrowings, people began swiping credit cards for cash, maxing them out too. Soon enough, the middle class began opting for gold loans. In India, especially in Bollywood movies, the lady of the home always saves the day, hiding money in rice or dal containers for the rainy days. Now it is gone, a grim reflection of severe financial stress and inflation. The household safety net has been stretched to breaking point and beyond. Since January, two-wheeler sales are down 9%, motorcycle sales have dipped 13%, while moped sales are down 18%. Household loans as of June 2024 were 43% of the country's GDP. In March 2020, these were 35% of the GDP. Despite optimistic projections and efforts by the government and the RBI to stabilize banks, 23% of people report lower salaries. Gold loans surged 71% in FY 24-25, showing middle class distress. Future growth hopes contrast sharply with today's financial strain and rising dependence on credit. The government aims for a per capita income of rupees 15 lakh by 2047, reflecting long-term optimism despite current economic challenges.